The evolution of whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation videos use cartoon images to explain products, services, or an important message in a fun and entertaining way. One way to create a whiteboard animation video is to record a live video of a cartoonist drawing the images on a whiteboard, which is then sped up in time with the voice track. Alternatively, the individual cartoon images are created as digital files which are fed into whiteboard animation software that animates a hand drawing them. Whiteboard animation is widely used in the marketing and advertising sector, and also for training purposes, but its true origin can be traced back to the caveman era. Our ancestors would use stones or chalk to draw on the walls to illustrate difficult points. Since the human brain processes visual information very quickly, doodle images been a communication tool for longer than we would expect. It's not only children who like to watch cartoons and videos, but adults also find them engaging. In fact, studies have shown that people prefer to watch animations than talking head videos on the same subject. Many of us prefer to learn through visual means, but it's the combination of appealing imagery and a voice track that increases our capacity for learning through animation. We are prone to respond more to images and, the brain retains more information with visual learning. The method of drawing something and showing it to someone in order to explain your thoughts has been used throughout time, as our ancestors communicated like that when they couldn't talk. Fast forward to the 20th century. The rise of the animation industry throughout the 1900s demonstrates how mesmerizing animations truly are. Just think of the popularity of Disney and Pixar films. From etchings on cave walls to digitally rendered moving pictures, humans have long enjoyed the communication and entertainment via simple imagery. Whiteboard animation videos first came about in 2007 and have been a driving force in marketing ever since. The first contemporary whiteboard video advertisements were from UPS, an American postal service. After their monumental success, many whiteboard video productions started their business, and since then, the style and technology of creating such videos have evolved. Now, there are a number of software packages that can help create whiteboard videos. As more businesses are aiming to become more unique, creative, and consumer-friendly in their marketing, they are turning to the likes of whiteboard animation to communicate their messages in an engaging, entertaining way. Whiteboard animation has been the choice of Fortune 500s, innovators, and startups for over a decade, and it's still driving innovative education. If there's one thing we've learned from a decade of making whiteboard videos, it's this: whiteboard animation is here to stay.